Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use our hydrating shampoo. As you can see, it is not a thick consistency, and this is so that it easily slides through your hair and your scalp. I start off with my scalp first, and I go ahead and I start at the top, and I make sure I really rub it in. So I like to go in circles, and once I'm done with the top, I go to the bottom, and then I move my hair just to really make sure I'm getting my scalp, getting the middle. After that, I go ahead and I rinse it out. I do shampoo twice, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. You really want to make sure that you're rinsing it out. I go ahead and I pour shampoo all over my hair. I love making sure my hair is saturated with shampoo. But this is my method. I rake the shampoo through just like this. I've always done this. I just feel cleaner this way. And then I wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I go ahead and take our Royal Frisage detangling brush and I detangle from the bottom to the top, just like here. And voila, that is what my hair looks like with all the shampoo in it. Now, when you're rinsing out the shampoo, you want to make sure that your water is running clear. That way you know that all of the product is out of your hair, as I'm doing here. And voila. My hair is clean, super soft, and manageable.